Γεια σας, καλημέρα. Today we are going to talk about two very common Greek verbs, κοντεύω and πλησιάζω. These two verbs are synonyms, which means that they have the same meaning. They both mean to approach, to get close. The verb κοντεύω comes from the adverb κοντά, which means near, close. The verb πλησιάζω comes from the archaic adverb πλησίον, which also means near, close. Let's look at some examples. Κοντεύουμε στο πάρκο. Πλησιάζουμε στο πάρκο. They both mean we are getting close to the park. Κοντεύει τα 40. Πλησιάζει τα 40. She is approaching 40, referring to her age. Μην μου κοντεύεις. Μην με πλησιάζεις. Don't come near me. Note here the use of μου with κοντεύεις and με with πλησιάζεις. Κόντεψε λίγο. Πλησίασε λίγο. Come a little closer. Κοντεύει η ώρα να φύγουμε. Πλησιάζει η ώρα να φύγουμε. The time to leave is getting close. Or you can say, it's almost time to leave. Κοντεύει μεσημέρι. Πλησιάζει μεσημέρι. Noon is getting close. It's almost noon. Now, there is a special case, and this is where the two verbs are different. The verb κοντεύω, usually in the aorist, the simple past tense, but in other tenses too, followed by the particle να, κόντεψα, να, has the meaning of I came close to doing something. I almost did something. Let's look at some examples of this special case. Κόντεψα να χάσω το τρένο. I came close to missing the train. I almost missed the train. Now let's try using the other verb, πλησιάζω. Πλησίασα να χάσω το τρένο. No, it doesn't work. It works only with the verb κοντεύω. Κόντεψε να πέσει από τον μπαλκόνι. He came close to falling from the balcony. He almost fell from the balcony. Now let's try again using the other verb, πλησιάζω. Πλησίασε να πέσει από τον μπαλκόνι. No, again it doesn't work. So remember, for this special case, we can use only the verb κοντεύω. It doesn't work with the verb πλησιάζω. In most other cases, you can use either one of the two verbs. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.